Hi, how you doing? So we're going to make this wonderful pork. That does look good, doesn't it? So I've got some pork loins here. What we're going to do is I'm going to stick them in a marination of Coca-Cola or Pepsi. Don't want to be biased here. Soy, a few other little bits and pieces, and then simply fry them off. It's absolutely wonderful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got a teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then you're going to need Coke, Pepsi, or whatever brand you like. You can use regular Coca-Cola. This is zero. You can use light, diet, whatever. You just need something, you know, bubbly and dark. In fact, you could use Sprite or 7-Up for this, but yeah, I'm going for this. It gives it a better color. So, mixing bowl, half cup of the light soy, teaspoon of black pepper, and we're not adding salt because of the soy is salty enough. You could add it if you want. The garlic, if you wanted, you can get some ginger in here, or in fact you might even want to put in some like star anise powder or something like that. We're going to crack that open, drop that in, and then we're just going to give it a little mix, and then we can move on. Okay, so look, I've got some pork loins here. I've got 4 of these. We're going to be dropping them in. Now, these are in total about 800 grams. So they are, yeah, a couple of 100 grams each. What we're going to do is we're going to shrink wrap it, plastic wrap it, and we're going to pop that in a refrigerator. A minimum of 2 hours. Overnight is better. Okay, so look, I've got a skillet on the go here, and I've put a little bit of oil in there. I'm just using some sunflower oil. Here's our pork, which I actually did leave for about 8 hours, more than 8 hours actually, overnight. So we're going to drop them in. They're going to be beautifully sweet. And we're going to fry these on a fairly lively heat, as you can hear. You can get rid of all of that now, it's done its job. A fairly lively heat for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side. Very simple. Okay, really, really beautiful. They're done. One more thing, half a cup again of a light soy. Get that over there. And just let that go for about 3 or 4 more minutes. Spinning it around in there. Beautiful. And that's it. Really simple. Absolutely delicious. Now, you can eat them just like that. Slice it up and have it with some rice if you want. Loads of ways of having it. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.